Hello, welcome to the channel. I don't have my other light on, but it's going to be a little bit of a darker video. But my friend just left, and this is the package that came during our game. Now I ordered some taps for my lightsabers. I ordered this off of the Walmart website. It's from a third party. That's what I'm assuming this is. And also the delivery driver was nice enough to actually bring it right up. Yeah. Okay. It's probably the smallest one there. Next one. That one's probably going there. Alright. This one's the smallest. Oh no, this one there. Trying to show what I'm doing here. Yeah, it was all just loose in here. Now, I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to need, but this was about 20 bucks with shipping and everything. It was the cheapest set that I could get. AliExpress had a bunch of sets, but they were $20, but then they had like $36 shipping or some stupid thing like that. This was my best option. I'm sure that one of these will work for what I need to be able to install CoverTech wheels on some of my Ultra Sabers. Oh, I don't have the bag here. Whatever. But I have CoverTech wheels. I have them at somebody else's place right now because I was just hoping that they would be able to do it for me, but I think I'll just do it myself now. And these also make it a lot easier because these ones are drill bits, so then I can just do it with a drill. And yeah, I don't need to drill, then tap, and then clean it up. This does it all in one pass, which is kind of nice. I do have a corded drill, so it has a power cord and stuff like that, and I can do that. I'm not sure if I'll record it or not. I gotta figure out the logistics of how I would record that. I might just skip it, I don't know. But anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.